I am Soumya, your teacher of EVS. I'm sure you all are doing well. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up, smile. Children, you're going to guess what we are going to learn today. To guess, here is a small video. Are you ready to watch the video? Here we go.
My family. Hello everyone, my name is Mohan. I am a boy and I am 10 years old. This is my sister, she is a girl. Her name is Seema and she's 8 years old. She is younger than me and I am older. She is shorter than me and I am taller. She is my mother, her name is Preeti. He is my father, his name is Ravi. This is my grandmother, she is very old. She loves embroidery and hates the cold. I have a pet dog, his name is Fluffy. He is black in color and is very friendly. I play with him in the green grass. He loves his ball and runs very fast. I live in a house with my family. I love them a lot and they love me.
Now tell me, what are we going to learn today? My family. This session is for the lesson My Family. And remember, end of the session, I will be asking you few questions and you need to answer. Now, I want you to take your notebook. Quickly draw yourself. Try drawing children. You can use stick diagram too. Quickly draw yourself. I'm waiting. Done. Beside you, draw your favorite fruit. Quickly. I'm waiting. That's nice. Now your favorite animal. Try. It's easy. It's okay if you are not able to do, but try. Your favorite food. Yummy food. It should be yours, children. Great. Next is your favorite flower. You can draw any flower. If you have seen or not seen, that's okay. Next is your favorite vehicle. Yes, you need to draw your favorite vehicle. I'm waiting. Stop. After this class, you will be doing the favorite of yours in your notebook. You can do your favorite book, your favorite color, favorite vegetable, Whatever favorites you have, you can keep drawing. But you should draw and try. Now, stop doing all the activities. Tell me about yourself. Yes, about yourself. I'm waiting. About yourself. You are a boy or you are a girl. Your name is nice to hear. Then what else you can say about yourself? That's right, my father name and my mother name. I'm waiting for your answer, children. Then you will continue with your favorite, your school name, your house address, your father's phone number, your mother's phone number, right? That's great. Children, where are you right now? At home. Yes, you like to be at home. No? Fine. If something happens to you at home, whom do you inform? Mother. What activity does mother do at home? Quickly grab your notebook and draw your mother. Yes, your mother. Try drawing your mother. I'm waiting. Now, you will be drawing few more activities which your mother does. Think what she does at home. You play, you eat, you sleep, you run about, you read and write. What does mama do at home? What does mother do at home? Think. Mother cooks food, cleans the house, then makes you study, then tells story. That's great. Quickly draw them. Can we be without our mother a day? No. So, mother plays an important role in our life. Children, do you listen to your mother? That's great. Thumbs up. Good. Now, who is the next person in our family? That's right, father. Father will be taking care of our family. He takes care inside as well as outside, right? He brings many things to the house. He goes to the office. He takes care of your schoolings, your mothers, and your sister. Everything he takes care, right? Can you draw your father quickly in your notebook? Yes, your father. I'm waiting. Okay. Now tell me, what activity does your father do at home? That's right, watching TV. Then, talking over phone, working on computer. Think, I want few more answers. I'm waiting. Yes. Then, now you tell me who are the other people living in our house. Grandmother, grandfather, brother, sister, fine. Yes, great. But we will call head of the family as father. Father is the head of the family. Your mother and your father are called parents of you. Our mother and father are called parents. My parents means my mother and father. Your parents means, that's right, your father and your mother. So our mother and father are called parents. Good. Our mother and father are called as parents. So if I say inform your parents, whom will you inform? Father and mother. If I say inform your parent, whom will you inform? That's right. Either mother or father. Good. Next is your grandparents. Children, do you all love your grandparents? The most, because they tell stories and cook food for you and take you out and have fun time with you. Can you draw your grandparents? Quickly. I'm waiting. Can you think what other activities do grandparents for us? Grandmother cooks food, that is delicious, yummy food she cooks for us. Grandfather takes us out to play and tells some story. Grandma protects us when parents are behind us. Right? So, do you all love your grandparents? If yes, please a thumbs up. I'm waiting. Good. Here we go. Now, I have an activity sheet. You're going to identify and circle them. Right? Here we go. Can you all see the worksheet? Yes. Quickly write your name. You have to search the words given and circle them. Children, which is the first one? Mother. Can you all search mother? Quickly, I'm waiting. Yes, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Here it is. Okay. The second one, children, is father. Can you find where is the spelling of father? I'm waiting. Yes, children, it is there. Search. I'm waiting. Try. Okay, that's fine if you're not got father. Wait, can we go for the next one? Brother. Here, that's good. Next one, children. Sister. Here. Uncle. I'm waiting. That's good. Here. Aunt. Children. Aunt. No problem. Wait. That's right. Here. Grandparents. Children, it's very easy. Search where is the letter G. Yes, here, but not. Then, Here, yes. Grandparents. Now turn to search father. Here, yes. Finally, we got a good work. So now we have come to the end of the session. Before we wind up, I will like to do few more questions of your textbook. Okay, this is your textbook. Write the name of your family members in the boxes and complete the family tree. It's you, your father and mother. Children, your father and mother are pictures. You're going to paste it here. Your mom's mother and father. That is your mother's mother and father. For them, what will you call? Yes, grandparents. Same way here, father. And father's father and mother. They are also your grandparents. Now children, do you all have a family name? Just check in front of your house. Is there any nameplate? If not, discuss with your parents. Imagine the box below as your family's nameplate. Write your family name inside it with your favorite color and in your best handwriting. Your family name. Like how we have grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Okay, the same way there will be a family name which will be present in your name, father's name, mother's name, grandfather's name and grandmother's name, sister's name. So that particular name will be your family name. If not, check out with your parents. Right? Check out with your parents. Fine. So now it's time to answer my questions. Here we go. Children, now dash and dash are known as parents. Who all are known as parents? Yes, mother and father. There are dash members in my family. How many members in your family? Write it down. I help my mother too. Good. I help my father too. What activity do you help? You are your parents' son or daughter. And together it is called child. The parent of your parents are your grandparents. Dash is known as the head of the family, father. So, we have learnt about my family and family members, right? That's good. Do a thumbs up. We will be continuing this lesson in the next session, right? And see you in the next session. Thank you.